Good day, sir. I will do the activity 5. This is my tabular data. We'll get the maximum of math 100. The minimum is 90. We'll get the mean. The formula is equals average, 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 open parenthesis, draw, enter. The main is 95.8. Next is the standard. The formula is equals the open parenthesis, draw the and enter. Next is variance equals var is open parenthesis, draw, enter. Okay, the variance is 15.7. Next is P6 99. The minimum is 80. We'll get the main equals average, open parenthesis, equals average, open parenthesis, equals average, open parenthesis, enter. Next is the standard equals open parenthesis, draw and enter. Next is variance equals var is open parenthesis, enter. Next is the chemistry. 100 ang iyang minimum, ang maximum, ang minimum is 80. The main is, the formula is equals average, open parenthesis, draw the chemistry and enter. Next is the standard deviation equals open parenthesis, enter. Next is the variance equals var is open parenthesis, enter. Next is the that's all, sir. Thank you.